Welcome back to Natural Remedy Garden. Today we are talking about common issue that occurs with all the queens that give life on Earth. Postpartum hair loss is a common experience for many new moms, and it can be quite distressing. Today we're sharing natural and effective ways to manage and reduce postpartum hair loss. First, let's understand why postpartum hair loss happens. During pregnancy, high levels of estrogen keep hair in a growing phase. After delivery, hormone levels drop, causing hair to enter a shedding phase. This can result in noticeable hair loss. Let's get started. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is key to managing postpartum hair loss. Your body needs extra nutrients to recover from childbirth and support hair regrowth. Include foods rich in vitamins and minerals, such as leafy greens, berries, nuts, eggs, and fish. Iron, zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids are particularly important for healthy hair. Gentle hair care. Handle your hair with care. Use a wide-tooth comb to gently detangle your hair and avoid pulling it too hard. Go for a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Avoid tight hairstyles that pull on your hair, and let your hair air dry as often as possible to prevent breakage. Scalp massages. Scalp massages can improve blood circulation and stimulate hair follicles. Use natural oils like coconut, almond, or castor oil for added nourishment. Warm the oil slightly and massage it into your scalp in circular motions. Do this 2-3 times a week for the best results. Natural hair masks. Natural hair masks provide deep nourishment. Try a DIY mask with ingredients like avocado, honey, and olive oil to strengthen and hydrate your hair. Apply the mask once a week and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. Managing stress. Managing stress is crucial. Stress can exacerbate hair loss, so find time for relaxation. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or yoga to reduce stress and promote overall well-being. Patience and support. Remember, postpartum hair loss is temporary. Be patient with yourself and seek support from loved ones. Your hair will gradually return to its normal growth cycle. Postpartum hair loss can be challenging, but with these natural tips, you can manage and reduce hair shedding. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching.